Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. I'm Roy Machingura and welcome to the Pip Valley. Today I'm going to be sharing with you another pre-market weekly analysis or pre-market Forex forecast. So as usual, I'm not going to cover, as I stated in the previous video, I'm not going to cover this week's monthly analysis because I did the analysis in the past video and we only cover the monthly analysis only once, since it's the same throughout the month. So there's no need for me to actually do the monthly analysis. So for the monthly analysis, just click in the link that's appearing above so that you can watch what we're expecting during the month. Remember, this is a top-down analysis, so the higher time frames usually carry more weight in determining the overall direction. So without wasting much of our time, we now get straight into our Euro USD analysis. So we are going to start with the weekly analysis for the Euro USD. So in the coming week, what we can see that the price has established a higher high here. Right, the price has established a higher high and the price is within the range of last week's range. So what we'll be expecting is that the price is going to pull back to retest the broken level now as a support zone. If the support zone holds, then we're going to be waiting or to be expecting bullish pressure here, where we'll also take bullish position and waiting for the trade all the way up there. Alternatively, if this fails, we'll be expecting that this would be a false breakout and the support zone will fail to hold. After failing to hold, we'll be waiting for a pullback before we can get on to the bearish trades. But this was most likely to happen maybe in the coming weeks. So for this coming week, I'll be just patiently waiting for the pullback and then look to enter bullish positions anywhere above 1.18476, aiming for 1.23526 zone. We move on to the daily chart. So on the daily chart, what you can see is that as I stated in the weekly chart, what I'll be expecting is the price will come and retest this 1.18524 zone as a support zone. After that, it will then move all the way up to retest or to test the next level. Alternatively, this descending channel that we are seeing, the price will consolidate in this and then break outside the channel, then retest and move all the way up to the next level. So these are my expectations for the upcoming week. So ladies and gentlemen, these are the trades that I'll be expecting as far as the Euro USD is concerned. So I'll be trading very carefully when it comes to bearish position, or I'm not going to partake in any bearish positions at the moment because I don't want to trade against the trend. And then also I'm also anticipating a breakout trade, so I can't take the short side of the bullish breakout trade. So what I'll just do is I'll be patiently waiting for the bullish breakout. That's what I'll be doing. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. It was a pleasure having you here. I would like to make an announcement that I'm not going to be doing, I think probably the next week it will be our last analysis before we go on the holiday, so that we can rest and recuperate for next year. So for me personally, the way I trade in this December, I usually don't trade because I'll be tired. So usually I prefer taking a rest in December. The whole of December I'm not active in the market. I take this opportunity, number one, to develop my strategy, to make sure that I refine the things that are needed to be refined. So my main activity will be backtesting and demo. I just thought it would be necessary for me to make that disclosure that I'm not participating in the markets at the moment in terms of the real money. I'm participating in the demo. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. Roy Machingura out.